See the blowout in the middle of the foot there? The blowout in the middle of the foot there? The blowout in the middle of the foot there? Who else has got them? You're clear. You're clear. There's a blowout in the middle of the foot here. That's two different horses. You're okay. What have we got here? You're okay. Your feet are okay to Bonza. Bonza's feet are okay. What have we got here? Misty's feet are good. Oh, she got a blowout here. There's another blowout there. See that, can we? All in the same place. And I know Hope's got some. Haven't you, baby? It's on the front foot here. Yeah, you got a blowout in the same place too. Explain that one to me. People with hooves, explain that to me. Looky here. What have we got here? Hey, the big fella. It's a weird head. It's a weird head. That's his tail, that's why. That's his tail. Good boy. Come here. That's the boy. I'll let you going over here. I'll let you going. Let you go in here. Now you find yourself some cover there, alright? Or you're going to be in big trouble. You're going to be in big trouble. You're going to be in big trouble. That's a boy. Howdy YouTubers, just a short video on a few odd jobs that go on during the day around the High Chaparral here. Well, where's Dutchy this morning? Normally standing up under this tree waiting for his breakfast. So, where is he? Oh! There he is. What are you doing up there? You helping yourself? Smudge! Root! Smudge! Probably eating a whole bale of bloody lucerne by the look of it. How come you guys aren't out there too? Did he open the gate himself and let himself out, Boots? So I don't know if he's going to want to feed this morning. Oh, I got the little black fella. Oh, Mummy's there as well. You having a good feed, old fellow? I'm going to put you back in your yard. This one's cleaning up. Bit of a clean up. Okay. Amazing how nature draws straight bloody lines, isn't it?